Getting hit with Minecraft error 404 and your game keeps crashing or refusing to load? Don't worry. We will walk you through the real reasons behind this error and how to fix it step by step, whether it's a runtime glitch, mod conflict, or missing file. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are tackling Minecraft error 404, a frustrating issue that can pop up during launch, downloads, or modded gameplay. Now let's get started on how to fix the issue. Method 1. Understand the error. If you see error 404, Minecraft has encountered a problem and needs to close, it's likely a runtime error. If it says file not found, it's usually a missing resource or mod file. If it's part of a mod pack or custom map, it might be a scripted event or corrupted mod. Method 2. Update Minecraft to the latest version. Open the Minecraft launcher and select Options. Click on Force Update and finish the process. Now see if your friend can connect to your server. Else uninstall the mods following the next step. Method 3. Uninstall the mods. The third-party or corrupted mods can also conflict with Minecraft and create problems. So, remove those corrupted and unofficial mods to fix the problem. Follow the process to do so. Exit the Minecraft launcher, close it from the system tree also. Press Win+R to open the Run utility and enter the following command in the Run dialog box. %appdata%. Press Enter, then open Minecraft and find the mods folder. Double-click on it and copy and save them to another location. Next, delete the mods folder and then open the Minecraft launcher. If you find there is no problem now, then close the launcher. Copy and paste the mods one by one to the mods folder again. Open Minecraft every time to see if you are having any connectivity problem. Repeat the process till you identify the problematic mod. After deleting the mod, update it or contact the developer to fix the issue. Method 4. Run Minecraft as administrator. The next thing you can do is run Minecraft as an administrator to avoid permission issues. Here is how to do so. To run Minecraft as an administrator, locate its executable file or shortcut. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. You can right-click the Minecraft shortcut, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Then check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Method 5. Check your Java installation version. For most players, checking your Java installation is not necessary because the official Minecraft launcher automatically downloads and includes the correct Java version. However, if you are using a third-party launcher, mods, or need to run a server, you may need to check your system's Java version separately. Here is how to check your Java installation using command prompt. Open an elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type Java version and press Enter. If Java is installed, the output will show the version number. If you get an error, Java may not be installed or configured correctly. Method 6. Reinstall the game. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Select Programs and Features. This will load a list of programs that are installed on your computer. Right-click on Minecraft from the list. Then select Uninstall option and follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall Minecraft from your system. And that's a wrap. Minecraft error 404 should be fixed and your game running smoothly again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Still facing issues or have a tip that worked for you? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone and love hearing your solutions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Happy crafting!